it's me again, Zayan. So here today we are harvesting 3 more potato plants here, over here. Remember a few months ago we grew this mint, and it has finally grown its own leaves. Basically I put it these sticks with the roots, and it made like its natural own ones that will be even better than these ones. And here you can see we are having a flower growing in here. And a few months ago so this is coriander. I got it from Aldi a few months ago, and this is coriander again. And we are having some other plants, and here I growed some potatoes here. These are the leaves of it. And now we are going to harvest these potatoes. So I have got this tool to make the roots more efficient for it to come out. First we are going to do this one. So we have to hold on this and then take it out like this. And then we can already see some potatoes growing underground, big potatoes. And we have some here as well. So you might just take a chopper and do it like this, and you will get the potatoes falling in the roots of here. So I got it. And now what are we going to do is, basically we are going to have this, tap on it. It might fall slowly. So let me just do this. And we got way more bigger potatoes than last time, as you remember. These are bigger potatoes, as you can see. So we're going to take them out nice and carefully. So guys, this is the potatoes that we planted for the potato to grow. So I'm just going to put that over there. And now when the soil has gotten like this, you will get, and it will fall. So I might just get this tool here and then put it like this, and just splash it like this and like this, and it will come out nice and easily. As you can see, it's coming out. And here it has come out. So now we have a pattern going on here of the roots. How beautiful. And now we're just going to turn that here, and now we're going to So guys, you don't have to add potatoes again in it. You can just use the same soil and you will get the potatoes. Like I'm just adding that soil, and we're gonna have some potatoes, and my brother is going to wrap them in. These, if you have other plants on your potato, that's good, because these can became a good source of food for your potato plants. So I'm just going to add this in. So guys, we got to cut the scene over there because it would have taken a lot of time to harvest on all of them in camera. So me and my brother basically washed the potatoes, and here as you can see the result of how many potatoes we have got. So we will count them. 1, 2,
That will take a 4, 6, 7, 8,
9, almost 25 potatoes. It's not a lot, but you can have fresh potatoes at your home. So I prefer you to plant potatoes at your home. So guys, this was for today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share, and guys, please get me to 50 subscribers, I beg you. Bye bye.